So you have a multivariant USD asset and you want to edit a specific material for a specific variant. First of all, you need to specify a variant you want to edit just to preview changes. Then you need to add a material, edit material network, then specify a material path for the USD asset for the material variant. In this case, it's the second variant and material for the second variant. Click load and it will appear here. Change the values and it's working. And if you want to change material for the additional variants, just specify the material path for the variant you want to edit, then change the material model variant just to preview changes. Don't forget to load material. Now you have an ability to modify several materials for a specific variant. And that's it.